Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop. On Fitbit we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to this window of Fitbit. Then we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.